In America, this is what we call apartment buildings or apartments. So as you can see here on the right, this is a very tall apartment that has many floors, and this apartment here is considered a smaller apartment with only 4 floors. But some apartments can have 2 floors, some can even have 1 floor. But what differentiates apartments from houses is that a single building consists of many, many different units or apartments. So that's like a unit there, that's a unit, that's a unit or apartment, that's a unit or apartment. On the left here, this might be a unit, this is another unit, this here is another unit, and different families, of course, live in these units. But they all live in the same building and they share the same main entrance, probably the same garage here. This is probably another garage down there. Um, they share the same elevators and same staircases. Now, some apartment buildings have different types of units or apartments within them. For example, this tall apartment building here may have studio apartments, 1 bedroom apartments, 2 bedroom apartments, and 3 bedroom apartments. This one here may have only 2 bedroom apartments or units. So I just want to show you what a typical studio apartment, a 1 bedroom apartment, and a 2 bedroom apartment looks like today. Okay, so let's take a look at the studio apartment, also known as just a studio. So as you can see, it has all the basic rooms. You can see that it has a kitchen and dining area. Um, the dining area is just kind of a part of the kitchen here. It's not separated by a wall or anything like that. Over here at the bottom we have a bathroom, and to the left we have this big space here, which is actually both the living room and the bedroom. So it's not separated by a wall. And that's what we call a studio or a studio apartment. So you don't get as much privacy as you would in a 1 bedroom apartment, which I will show you next. This is a typical 1 bedroom apartment. So over here is the entrance, and we have a kitchen. We have a living room and dining room or dining area. The 1 bedroom is here. As you can see, the bedroom has its own door, and it has this wall here that divides it, separates it from the living room and the dining room, which is considered more of a public space in case you have guests or friends coming over. And then over here you have the bathroom for the bedroom, and then you have a big closet space here, which we call walk-in closets. They're supposed to be large enough that you can actually walk into it and maybe even spin around. Um, but it's just a large closet. And then here it says WD, that stands for washer dryer. And to the left here uh, of the bedroom, you have a balcony. It's an outdoor space where you can relax, maybe read a book, maybe get a breath of fresh air. And then this apartment, this 1 bedroom apartment, also has a storage room. So that's kind of nice. A lot of them don't have these storage rooms, but it's a nice little area off to the side where you can store, boxes, suitcases, or just, junk that you may have in your apartment. Okay, so that's a 1 bedroom apartment. The only difference between a 1 bedroom apartment and a 2 bedroom apartment is, that's right, it's got 2 bedrooms. And in some cases, there's a shared bathroom, but in this case, there are 2 bathrooms. So that's actually pretty nice. So here, the entrance is up here. So you walk in, you have your kitchen space there. You don't really have a dining area here, but I think if you take that chair away, maybe you can have a small dining area there. But here is your living room. Here's bedroom number one with just your standard closet where you open or slide doors open and get to your clothes. Here's a bathroom for the bedroom, but this bathroom also has another entrance over here. So if you have guests, they can use this door to enter the bathroom. But if you're in the bedroom, you can access this private door into that same bathroom. I kind of like that because you give your guests a different way to get into the bathroom. Unlike the one bedroom apartment, if you noticed here, um, let me just erase that a little bit. You can see here that if you have a guest here, there's no way they can get to the bathroom. They have to go through your bedroom and then into the bathroom to use your sink or your toilet. Some people don't mind that, some people do. Okay, so going back to this two-bedroom apartment, as you can see, there's an entrance here into the bathroom for your guests, and then here's a private entrance for you if you're using that bedroom. And then the second bedroom is over here to the right, and unlike bedroom one where it has a standard closet, there's much more space here. So, you know, you got that walk-in closet again, but you have to walk through your closet to get to your own private bathroom. But anyway, this is a typical two-bedroom, two-bath apartment, and over here you have another balcony, a nice outdoor space where you can just relax and get a breath of fresh air. But this one doesn't have a storage space. So as you can see, every apartment is a little different, but the typical rooms are still there. The bedroom and the bath, kitchen, living room. But anyway, this should give you an idea of what a studio apartment, a one-bedroom apartment, and a two-bedroom apartment looks like in America.